Oh, would you look at this?
Yeah, well...
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
The car is not perfect.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah, well...
What the heck is that?
Holy fuck. That is fucking sexy. That right there is fucking sexy to look at. God damn. God fucking damn.
This is the greatest thing I have ever seen in my life. This is amazing.
What the fuck is this?
Fucking hell! Shit! This is a fucking nightmare! Fucking hell!